Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to create ChatGPT account. ChatGPT is an online platform that connects users with intelligent chatbots. It's capable of taking the conversation of the whole new level. This platform is incredibly useful for businesses as it can improve users' engagement and drive sales. In this tutorial, we will take you through the process of creating a ChatGPT account and how to start unleashing the power of an incredible tool. First guys, open your browser, then in the search bar type chat.openai.com. Then as you see guys, this is your ChatGPT website. Then if you want to create an account, just go directly to sign up, then tap and click on sign up. As you see guys, if you want to connect with a Google account, an existing account, or with a Microsoft account, then I will choose my own account. Then guys, when you tap your email account, just click on continue. Then guys, you need to create your own password. As you see guys, this is my password. Then on the bottom click on continue. Then guys, wait a few seconds. Now I get my my verify message on my email account. Then guys, open your email and verify, and now you need to verify email address. Then guys, you need to tap your first name and last name. Then guys, click on continue. Then guys, you need to add your phone number. Then you will get the verification code in your phone number. Then guys, when you confirm your phone number, just wait a few seconds. As you see guys, ChatGPT is a free research preview. Then you can use it anytime without no taxes. Then hit on next, and I will collect data. We collect data. Then hit also next. Then we will love your feedback. Then you can feedback your the ChatGPT created. Then hit on done. As you see guys, this is our ChatGPT account. Then if you want to upgrade, tap on this and you can upgrade it. Then a dark mode or light mode. Then if you want to log out, then if you want to tap something, for example, how to create Gmail account, for example, then hit OK. Just as you see guys, this is all your step to create a Gmail account. If you don't like the answer, you can generate response and again another answer. As you see guys, this is the ChatGPT account with easy users and easy to use the account without no issues. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.